The dobro, and mostly used for blues.
Yeah.
Oh, it is bluegrass too, but when I was 16 years old and living in Australia, I fell in love with American blues. And I thought, what better translator of black American blues than a middle-class, white Australian child? So I went looking for a band. This is as my school studies were dive bombing. And I found this band in this area of Melbourne, a very, very bad area of Melbourne called Jordanville. And I would never have known these guys other than they were a blues band, and I was looking to join a blues band. These guys are all older than me. I was 16, they were like 25, 24, 25. And again, it's a pretty rough area, and a couple of them had been in prison for like assault and shit, you know. Well, that's bad. I'm not sure why we're in the bushes. I think they're hiding from the cops. I'm wearing tartan pants, believe it or not. I don't know if you can see that. They had these yellow tartan pants. I guess I thought tartan and blues went together. What a big city roll, this fucked up tartan for a couple of years. So I'm in this band, right? And there's this one guy, he wasn't in the band, he was one of the hangers-on, and he helped with the gear, and he'd just sit around when we were rehearsing. His name was Towne, and he was like ultimate badass guy. He had like the unibrow and the pockmarked face, and he'd been in prison like 2 or 3 times already. He was only like 24. And terrified me. He looked like he was made of iron, right? And he never speaks to me, ever. And I wish I had a photo of him, because he was just like central casting badass, right? But I did ask my 5 or 6-year-old niece in Australia to do a drawing of Tony. I told her about Tony, and would you do a drawing? Pretty sure he didn't have fangs. And I know he didn't wear dresses, certainly not around us. But she got the vibe kind of right. He was a bad dude, right? And terrified the hell out of me. And I'm playing with this band, and she misspelled it Towne, of course. It's only because she's cute. I'm playing with this band. I'm about to go on. And this kid comes up to me and says, "Hey, we're playing a pop band. You want to? We've seen you play before. Will you come and play with us?" I said, "Really? What kind of music?" She said, "Like Cream and Hendrix and that." And we actually had girls show up at our shows, because the only people that showed up at blues shows back then were like 15-year-old boys. Right? So I said, "Dude, girls is one of the reasons I picked this up. So I am there. Right? I'll just tell this blues band that this is my last night with them." So I go to these guys, and again, they're like 24, 25, and I'm 16, and I go, "Guys, I really enjoy playing with you, but I just got an offer to join this other band, and I'm going to take it. And, that's cool." Right? He said, "We'll break your legs if you leave." Right? Seriously, swear to God, they said, "If you leave us, we'll break your legs." And they knew someone who could do that. But I was a very driven kid, and I I'm joining them anyway. It's my last night with you guys. So I'm playing the last show. And they were looking at me like, give me the evil eye, right? Set ends, I jump off the stage, head for the exit door. Suddenly someone grabs my arm. I was pretty skinny back then. Grabs my arm, I turn around, and it's friggin' Towne, right? Seriously, they sent you? I mean, your son could probably shoot me up. So he said, "Come outside." I'm pretty sure it wasn't a romantic request. But, and I had no choice. He had me by the skinny bicep, right? So he drags me outside. I'm looking for like help, We have a van, lucky us, we had a van. So he opened up the door and said, "Get in." So I get in, and he gets in after me and shuts the door. He says, "Sit down." He said, "You go do what you gotta do, okay? I'll take care of these guys for you." I could have kissed him. I didn't, because he'd been in prison a couple of times. I wasn't sure how I'd take it. But every now and then, someone, gives you a little bump along the way, hopefully in the right direction. Well, Towne was the first one for me, and this is one of the songs I used to do with the band, and tonight is for Towne! Let me have my way. She's gonna jump and shout. Well, roll my baby. She's gonna jump and shout. When that train rolls up, gonna come walking on out.